Yes, today. So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Today's vlog is going to be about the OnePlus Y Series 32cm TV which I've recently ordered from Amazon, and the delivery is going to be in few minutes. So yeah, I'll show you the features of the TV and the installment process also. So yeah, let's start. Installation process going on. So this is how the remote looks. There are dedicated buttons for Netflix, Amazon Prime Video and YouTube. I don't know why there are no buttons. ये ना इंसाफी क्यों? So yeah, whatever it is, this is for Google Assistant, and this is for up, down, left, right. This is the power on button. This is the mute button. So yeah, let's power on. So let's press the power on button. So yeah, it's starting. It will take some time. So I'll meet you in the next frame whenever it is started.
12 seconds later.
So yeah, it has started. This is how it starts. So now I'll press this button, and this is how it looks. You can choose whatever you want from here and start watching it. This is all the apps that we have over here, and there is also a great option I really like about this TV, that it gives Google Play Store, so we can install any app which we want from there. I mean here. We can directly go here and search any app whichever you want and directly install it. And it also has a Google Assistant, so yeah, you can just say anything and you will get that app, and then you can watch it. First install it, then watch it. So yeah, really nice. So I'll directly play the YouTube button which is given over here. So I'll directly enter into the YouTube app. So it is loading. So let's search from here something. I'll play a normal 1080p video for you guys to see the quality of the video. I mean the TV. 1080p clear video. So I'm going to play this video. So let's check the quality. I'm gonna turn off the lights and let's play. So yes guys, this was the quality of the TV. Comment down your thoughts. How did you find it? So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you guys liked the video, please do hit that like button and also comment down your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also check out another videos. I mostly make traveling and riding vlogs. This is just like an experiment because I had a new TV in my house. So yeah, and also show support on Instagram. There will be a link in the description box below. Please do check out that also. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next vlog.